All right, hey guys, today we're gonna be showing you guys how to install our LightCap, but specifically with our new ShockCollar. So historically, we've shipped with our LightCaps a Ranger Band, and we will still continue to do that for people who wanna set it up with just a Ranger Band in this fashion. But our ShockCollar is just a simple clamp-on collar that goes on your light head and allows you to set this up independently of the mount, which has a few benefits. The first of which being you can remove your LightCap, your entire head of your flashlight, and the LightCap and ShockCollar will stay with it. And then also for some lights like Surefire Vampires, you can rotate the head of the Vampire independently without having to worry about the placement of your LightCap. So to set up our LightCap, you will need a cutting device to cut your shock cord as well as a lighter to burn the frayed ends. And additionally today, since we are setting up a ShockCollar, you're going to need a 3/32 Allen key to adjust this. So in the LightCap package, you will get two sections of shock cord, both in black and coyote. You will receive the LightCap itself, as well as a Ranger Band that we will continue to include with all of those packages. With the ShockCollar, you'll receive the ShockCollar itself, as well as the hardware packet that we include with each of these. In the hardware, we include a short and a long screw. Some lights, you don't need as much length, and so we included a shorter screw so that you wouldn't have so much leftover threads on your collar. All right, so to get started, I'm gonna go ahead on this Surefire Turbo and take out our long screw and one of the nuts from this hardware packet. And we're just gonna start by popping the nut into the hexagonal recess in the shock collar, and then passing the screw through the other hole and starting to thread it into that nut. All right, so now that we've got that started, I'm just going to slide this over the head of my flashlight, like so. This one's a little tight. And then to figure out how far back you want it, what I usually do is take a LightCap, put it in the position that I would want it to be once doffed, and then try to line up that shock cord so that it goes on the face of that shock collar. Now, as far as orienting this collar, I try to keep the screw and nut on the side opposite of the direction I want to flip it. So I want to set this one up in a pull style to flip to the outside of the gun. So I want that screw closest to the barrel. So now we'll just tighten this down, and you don't need much. You just need to go until once you tighten it, I can't move it with my hand anymore, and it's locked in place. Now that we've got that, I'm going to set up my LightCap. So I'm gonna untie these two pieces. I'm gonna choose the black color today. Start off with just tying an overhand knot, just a simple loop, and then pull the tail through. Dress that up towards the end of your shock cord, like so. I will then pull that through one of the holes in the LightCap, and then we're going to set it up on here. So I want this in a pull orientation there, so I'm gonna set that in that location. Pull the shock cord through the body, and then you could tie a knot here, but what I'm gonna do is actually run it underneath the light and just back through the other hole in the opposite side of the shock collar. All right, so now we've got the shock cord running through the cap, around the body, back through the shock collar and the cap. And now to finish this process, we're just gonna pull this and tie an overhand knot in this shock cord. Come on. This is proving to be difficult in this location. All right, so now you can see we've got our overhand knot tied, our stopper knot. Just confirm that the cap does function properly. It's a little loud. So we're gonna take our cutting device and we're going to cut our shock cord like so, and then just a lighter to fray the end of that cord, or rather singe the end of that cord. All right, so there you go. That's how you set up our LightCap with our new shock collar. For more information, check out our website, 100concepts.com, or feel free to hit us up on Instagram or YouTube.